All right, guys. For this problem, we're going to first read through it, and then we're going to answer it piece by piece, row by row. So let's go ahead and start reading. Jack and his little sister Jill are both fond of marbles. Jack currently has 10 marbles and adds 1 marble per week, while Jill only has 4 marbles but adds 2 marbles per week. They're both trying to be the first to get to 15 marbles. Who will get there first? After, find out who will get to 20 marbles the fastest. All right, so first things first, we got to read this and come up with some equations. Let's start with Jack. So it says that Jack currently has 10 marbles. That's great. That's going to be our y-intercept. And adds 1 marble per, so that's going to be our slope. So our slope is going to be 1. So y equals 1x plus 10. Great. Let's go ahead and make Jack green. All right, Jill is his sister. We'll make her a different color in a minute. Jill has 4 marbles, but she gets to add 2 marbles per week. So it looks like our slope is going to be 2 because of the per. And she currently has 4, so that's going to be our y-intercept. So y equals 2x plus 4. All right, let's go ahead and make Jill blue. Perfect. Alrighty, you can start graphing either person. I'm going to start with Jack just because it's the first one we have here. So let's go ahead and get a circle for our point. Okay, and because it's Jack, let's go and make that circle green. All right, so there's green. We are going to put that at our y-intercept, which is 0, 10. So we can put that right over here. And then what we're going to do is we are going to add 1. So we're going to go, our slope is going to be up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And again, you can see where this is going, but we'll just do a couple of these real quick. So up 1 over 1 could be right here. And we'll do it one more right over here. And this one could probably use a little bit of straightening. All right, cool. So we can see the line starting to form right now. And from here, all we got to do is draw our line through our points. I'm going to start it over here, and then we're just going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1 until we get to the very end here. And once again, because it's Jack, let's make this thing green. Cool, we have Jack's line right here. We can go ahead and start working on Jill, which of course is going to be y equals 2x plus 4, so we'll start at point at 0, 4. So I'm just going to grab one of these guys, and we'll just set it over here at 4, and because it's Jill, let's make this thing blue. All right, with Jill, we now just need to go with her slope is 2, so that's going to be up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. We'll do a couple of those, and then we'll make her line as well. Once again, just a reminder, this is going to be much easier if you're doing this on paper. I'm just trying to explain it digitally, so you will see it's going a little slower than probably you do, which is fine. All right, let's go ahead and get an arrow for Jill as well. And we know that Jill is going to keep going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. So we'll keep doing up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and up 2 over 1. Great. So there is Jill's line right there. All right, and because it's Jill, let's make it blue. And we have now graphed both of these. So we did just graph them both. The first question asked, however, who will be the first to get to 15? Well, we can see 15 is our output right here. So all we got to do is look at this line right here, and I'll even draw a line through it just to make it even easier for us to see who's going to win. There we go. And let's make it orange. Orange is pretty neutral. Okay, so we can see right here that clearly green is going to be the first to hit the 15. Blue's not very far behind it though. And as we know, green represents Jack, so Jack will be the first to 15. The second question though asks who's going to be the first to 20. So let's go ahead and take this finishing point, drag it all the way up here to 20. And when we take a look at this, blue is now in the lead, with green actually ending it really far behind. Blue, of course, is Jill. So who will be the first to get to 20 marbles? Well, that's going to be Jill. Uh, that's pretty much all that we need to answer for this question. We answered both of them. Thank you for watching, and good luck.